Welcome to our animated exploration of Python try except, where errors meet their match. The try block serves as our shield, allowing us to test a block of code for potential errors. When errors strike, the except block swoops in to handle the situation with finesse. In moments of triumph, the else block shines, executing code seamlessly when no errors are found. And when the dust settles, the finally block stands tall, executing code with unwavering resolve, regardless of success or failure. With Python's exception handling, we can tame even the wildest errors, defining specific actions for each unique exception. Trivia time. When an error occurs in the try block, which block gets executed? A. Try block. B. Except block. C. Else block. D. Finally block. Let me know your answer in the comments below, and stay tuned to find out the answer. And as Python developers, we wield the power to raise exceptions, shaping the behavior of our programs with precision and care. Join us on this epic journey through Python try except, where errors are no match for our vigilant code. Let's conquer error handling together. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more enlightening Python animations and tutorials. Until next time, happy coding!